English story by Joe. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Once, in a wood there was a cock called Shwe Ni, that was not only stout but also haughty. Cock Shwe Ni usually bullied small animals. So, they kept their distance from him. Don't bully others. As for food, he wanted to eat it alone to his fill. What is a mouse over there doing? Please feed me some food. What? The foods near here are mine. I won't give it to you. Go away. We're friends. Don't call me friend. My friend must have as much strength as me. Go away. It isn't good to bully others relying on your strength, Cock Shwe Ni. In spite of being told about his bullying everywhere, he did not take heed of it. As he was not considerate of other chickens that were his relatives, always bullied small animals relying on his strength. That's good. On hearing a cock crow, Cock Shwe Ni thought that it was his enemy. But unfortunately, he was caught in a snare set by a hunter. I'll rescue you. In fact, you were caught in a snare, simply because you were greedy and exceedingly wrathful. It happened so as I was furious with anger. Since then, Cock Shwe Ni was no longer haughty and lived together with all animals in a friendly manner.